There's no such thing as a small disaster. So when you call 1-800-WATER DAMAGE of North Dakota, we come prepared to restore your life back to normal. From burst pipes to unexpected mold discoveries or fire damage, when things couldn't be worse, we come to you with our best. With empathy, local expertise, and a truck full of seriously powerful equipment. 1-800-WATER DAMAGE of North Dakota. Restoring what matters most. 701-670-2022.
Hello and a happy Thursday afternoon to you. This is First Alert Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Russ Thomas. Good to get to a Thursday, a cloudy day, foggy day, gray day across the region. Not much sunshine, and with that, temperatures have not warmed up very much at all. We'll take a look at those numbers for you in just a second. It was so nice in many areas yesterday. Thought we might get there again today, especially in our southern half of the region, but a lot of us still stuck in that fog. That does include Fargo and Moorhead. And really now we're just looking at more of the lower clouds out there. Now we're going to see a lot of shifts in weather patterns over the next several days. It's going to include our warmest day so far this season, also the potential for some ice snow. That'll be for tomorrow into very early Saturday morning. And then a little bump up again as we head into the week. And let's go ahead and just get right to it. I'll pop up behind me here, full screen, the Dakota Magic camera. You can see the gray skies that we have right now, right along the South Dakota, North Dakota state line. As far as our temperatures go, we are up to 40 in Fargo, so some improvement there. We've been hanging out in the low to mid 30s for the better part of the day. 50 Oaks, 51 Sisseton. So there are areas that have warmed up this afternoon, just not as many as the last couple of days. For instance, this time yesterday in Jamestown, it was 56. Today, we were at 33 at that same time. 12 Langdon, 18 Devils Lake. We've been talking about this last couple of days, that dividing line between the colder air, warmer air to the south, had a stationary front just kind of sitting, parked over the region for the last couple of days, and you can see that divide in temperatures once again. What about visibility? Fargo, we've seen a lot of improvement just in the last hour or so. In fact, last hour we were right around 1 to 1.5 miles. Now it is 5-mile visibility. But you can see there are certainly spots. Here we go. Valley City, Cooperstown, Carrington, all below a quarter of a mile, near zero visibility. Jamestown, 0.2 of a mile. Grand Forks, 0.2 of a mile. So again, in these areas where that fog is thick, we're also seeing, again, with the temperatures being what they are, we're seeing a lot of slick spots on the roads this afternoon, sidewalks as well. So please, if you are traveling in those locations, very thin layer of ice, very thick, certainly could cause issues as you are taking that commute home from work or you're just heading out and about. So again, please keep that in mind. Devils Lake Basin, much of the James River Valley as well. Dense fog advisory, here's what we've got for you. Again, we're looking at our northern areas in particular, and you can see, I say northern areas, basically northern half, along with all of northeast North Dakota, portions of Minnesota up and down the Red River Valley, stuck in that dense fog. And again, as you might imagine, where we have the advisory is where we are seeing some of our lowest visibility totals. Now, I want to take a look at our next weather maker. So this is skipping beyond here, and what we're finding is a potential for a system that will move into the region, bringing some snowfall. So models, there's some disagreement there, but we will say snow is likely. But then I want to jump back to our first alert weather day. This is for tomorrow through Saturday morning. System moving through, bringing rain, freezing rain, some light snow, and I think travel impacts are going to be big right into your Saturday morning. Now, not all locations are going to see all this precipitation. We'll cover that in just 1 second, but we are looking at light icing, likely in northeast North Dakota, at least portions of it, as well as the Southern Valley, Lakes country as well. So let's get in on what we've got as we head out this evening through the morning hours tomorrow, and you can continue to see that precipitation as it pushes, the system pushes through the area. You noticed you had some pink there indicating a mix of precipitation. You had some of that snow moving through, and again, enough coverage there to where much of the region will see some issues. We have a winter weather advisory, says dense fog. We have a winter weather advisory in effect for all the areas here shaded in that blue color. So again, here's what we've got for you. We're going to slow this system down a little bit. You can see it. We've got system moving through. Starting this evening, we're going to see some light icing in northeastern North Dakota. You start heading farther south, at least this evening, issues aren't there. Then as this front moves through, we start to see some rain, a little bit of frozen precipitation potentially as we look in Fargo, in Moorhead, Grand Forks as well. Once that front passes, we're still going to see some ice potentially along that front, particularly in Lake Country. But we're going to start to see some snow coming down behind the front. Notice tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, that's when we have that best chance of seeing snow move through the region. Much of the ice by that point, by 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow night, that mix of precipitation will have shifted off to the east. The snow, however, still working its way through the region. By the time we get to Saturday morning, system moves out. We still have a first alert weather day through Saturday morning because we are going to see some slick spots on the roadways out there. Let's take a look at our model comparison when it comes to snowfall. Now this is getting back to our Monday and Tuesday, so jumping back ahead with the system we are expecting to move through. You can see American model, European model, and again, both projecting potential for 3 or 4 inches of snowfall. So again, something we're going to keep an eye on as we head through the next several days. Ice potential an issue as well. Take a look at our lows for tomorrow morning. 13 Langdon, 16 Devils Lake, 16 Harvey. Then you head farther off to the south and east, we're seeing those numbers in the 30s, 40s. So you've got the cold front moving through the region where we see those temperatures really kind of melting. You get the 21, Grand Forks, 33 Fargo. Within that area as that front moves through, that's the area we have the best chance to see some ice, some slick roads. Tomorrow afternoon's temperatures, again, a lot more uniform. We're going to see winds are going to be fairly strong out of the north tomorrow afternoon behind that cold front. Temperatures in the mid-20s, breezy, not dealing with the fog so much tomorrow, but a lot of cloud cover, and again, that potential for a little bit of freezing rain. Heading farther south, you can see some of that freezing rain, some of that snow coming down across the region. Again, we are not expecting a lot of snow out of this system. We will see, I think, up to maybe ½ an inch to an inch in some areas. I think the bigger issue is going to be ice on the roadways, seeing slick conditions tomorrow night. Now we get into your Saturday, Sunday. I think potential again for the icy roads early on Saturday, but we warm up nicely. We're at 46, partly cloudy by the afternoon. For our Sunday, 58 degrees, chance of showers in our northernmost areas, but again, easily the warmest day we have seen so far this season. And again, looking ahead to next week, we did cover this in terms of how much snow we thought we might see, but as you can see, snow will push its way through the region. So we go from slick conditions tomorrow, Saturday morning, really warming things up Saturday, especially Sunday into Monday, and then another opportunity for snow as we head to Tuesday. Here's a look at your 11-day planner. We've got 33 tomorrow morning in Fargo, warming up to 29, or I should say cooling off to 29 by the afternoon. 46 on Saturday, 58 on Sunday. Not quite as warm on Monday, but still looking like we're going to see temperatures in the mid-40s. Then we cool things down Tuesday. Mix of precipitation Wednesday, down to 30 degrees, could see a few showers, 35 on Thursday, and then upper 20s Friday, Saturday, Sunday into next Monday. So 2 or 3 more days where those numbers are going to be well above average. That does come on Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Otherwise, we're typically right about, or I should say we're at to slightly below normal the remaining days, meaning tomorrow, then once we get to Tuesday, all the way through the rest of the forecast period. So again, a little bit of a lot out there, watching out for that potential for slick roads, a little snow, ice across parts of the region tomorrow into early Saturday morning. Weekend, thankfully, looks good. Last couple weekends have been very, very cold. We're going to be well above average. In fact, again, I think that 58 on Sunday, warmest temperature we have seen so far this season, 47 on Monday, and then we go back to norm to below norm temperature-wise with scattered opportunities for showers next week, and again watching Monday night into Tuesday morning for the potential for that snow out there. Hope you have a wonderful evening. This weather update has been brought to you by 1-800-WATER-DAMAGE of North Dakota.
There's no such thing as a small disaster. So when you call 1-800-WATER-DAMAGE of North Dakota, we come prepared to restore your life back to normal. From burst pipes to unexpected mold discoveries or fire damage, when things couldn't be worse, we come to you with our best. With empathy, local expertise, and a truck full of seriously powerful equipment. 1-800-WATER-DAMAGE of North Dakota. Restoring what matters most. 701-670-2022.